all, what you see in front of you, this is the Medic 72401 MetaFirst 4x6 Instant Ice Pack Cold Compress. This is really nice. I have a whole bunch of things inside of this bag here. It's my first aid kit, so that if any one of the little ones get hurt, I can easily be able to look in there, see what I need, and I can be able to easily put it in. But this is nice. I can be able to use it for if they have a headache, or if they get hurt, put it on there so I can keep the swelling down. There's just so many different uses that you can be able to put inside of it. But because it is so versatile, it is lucky enough that it's actually going to be put in my homeschool first aid kit. So I have a whole bunch of things inside of here. Just dumping it out real quick. I have a whole bunch of stuff inside of here that that I think is very nice to be able to have, that also I'm going to be able to put in the instant cold compress. So I'll go ahead and put it all back inside the box, or not the box, but the bag. But it's just very nice because there's so many uses that you can do with the cold compress, and it's just nice to be able to have it around so that if anyone gets hurt, I'm ready for it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this inside of the bag. Thank you so much for watching. We put it on in. Done and done. Again, thanks for watching.